Alright crew, let's dive straight into what could be the most important 3 minutes of your next voyage emergency preparedness. Every ship's safety depends on how well the crew perform during a real emergency. And that starts with knowing the drills, the gear, and the procedures inside out. Let's break it down step by step. First, when the alarm sounds, doesn't matter if it's a fire, abandoned ship, or man overboard, your number one job is to muster fast and calm. Don't grab your phone or personal items. Instead, reach for your life jacket, helmet, and any assigned gear. Head straight to your designated muster station. Now, muster isn't just a head count, it's a full check-in. Someone will be confirming you're present, properly equipped, and fit for duty. This is where your checklist kicks in: life jacket, helmet, immersion suit, and, if you're assigned, your personal emergency equipment. Next, lifeboat preparation. Once everyone's mustered and accounted for, I check the lifeboat launch area. Is the deck clear? Are the davits free of obstacles? The checklist here: lifeboat plug in place, oars and provisions secured, water and food rations checked, first aid kit and essential tools. Before launching, communications setup is crucial. I test the handheld VHF radios and confirm the GMDSS station is operational. Someone needs to have the EPIRB ready. It's the beacon that sends our position to rescue authorities. Checklist: EPIRB armed, SART on standby, handheld radios tested, and battery levels confirmed. Now let's talk about the step-by-step standard operating procedure. When the order comes, abandoned ship, I assign roles fast. One crew member checks the lifeboat engine, another ensures the embarkation ladder is rigged, and another grabs the muster list and survival gear. We board the lifeboat in an organized manner, no rushing. Once everyone's in, I double-check everyone's secured, then I release the lifeboat using the assigned mechanism. As we clear away from the ship, I activate the EPIRB and maintain communication with nearby vessels and rescue authorities. Finally, I always run a quick mental checklist. Is everyone present? Are we clear of hazards? Do we have all our emergency gear? No matter how many drills I've done, I treat everyone like it's the real thing, because someday it might be. So remember, know your gear, trust your checklist, and always stay alert. Your safety, and your crewmates, depends on it.